welcome back. This is a follow-on to the wonderful old loom that Mara and I was restoring, mostly Mara. Needs a little bit of tweaks, but as you can see, Mara's got it set up and she's doing some weaving.
I'm weaving rag rugs for our bathroom. It's a 4-shaft weave instead of a 2-shaft so that I can test and make sure everything works properly. As you can see, we've got a little bit of tweaking left to do because this shaft wants to draw down like that, so I have to crawl under the loom and work with the tie-up a little bit there. But it's working well enough that I have woven several yards worth of rag rugs, and here it is. You know, it's going. So where did I leave this? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Oops, I should have left more yarn out on that. I know better, honestly.
You can hear it clanging and banging, and that's what we got to tweak up a little bit. We got to tighten up some of the joints and make it more sound.
Yeah, this loom works a lot when you weave with it. It's very loose jointed, all the wood is dried out, and honestly everything probably needs to be shimmed, but it works well enough that you can weave with it. So here it is, proof of concept, I guess. We also haven't finished restoring the seat yet, so I'm sitting on an old stool.
There it is, folks. Maker stuff at its best.
Yep.
Mara is making rugs for our bathroom.
And the color, the nice thing about being able to make your own stuff is this color scheme goes with our bathroom. So
that's important.
There we go. No doggo.
Now, there's a link in the description to the work we previously did on this loom. I invite you to go look at those 2 videos. I think it's 1 or 2 videos as well. And until next time, make great things out of wood and weave some cloth.